Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to combine two emojis. Let's begin. Okay, so merging two emojis can be a creative way to convey a specific emotion, idea, or message that may not be fully expressed by either emoji individually. And by combining two emojis allows you for a more nuanced expression of emotion. For example, merging a smile face right here to something like playing around, right? So it conveys feelings of love and happiness simultaneously. And merging emojis enables users to create custom icons that better reflect their personal style, preferences, or cultural context. Sometimes combining two emojis like the falling in love kind of flying kiss to a one that is wearing shades represents identities or experience that may not be fully captured by existing emojis, promoting inclusivity and representation. Now go here and the emoji combiner, and it's a very easy to use because all I have to do is just to choose two emojis to mix and see their combination. Click on that and click on that. See, it's a very straightforward process from here to here. It's a very cool way to create humorous or playful effects, adding a touch of whimsy to conversations and a lot more. All right. Now, merge emojis can be used to create symbolic representations of concept right here, events or cultural phenomena, providing a short way hand to communicate complex ideas. Now, if you don't like emoji combiner, you can use another platform, which is Emojimix.app. And as you can see, there's a lot that you can do from here. It's a very straightforward process. It's the same as the emoji combiner, but you have more options. Okay. So again, just go here to Emojimix.app. And the last app that we are going to explore is Emojimix by Tikolu. Now just click anything. You can combine two emojis into one and share them with your friends. You can play games, compete with other players, and collect emoji. But click on the emoji mix. You can get it on Google Play, or you can simply go to the option for use online or the web version. Okay. And as you can see, there's a lot that you can do. And by merging two emojis, it offers a versatile and creative tool for users to enhance their communication and express themselves more effectively in digital environments. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.